The exterior facade remains untouched by human hands to maintain total visual integration with the surrounding natural environment.
Initial structural assessments involve precise drilling to determine the thickness of the stone walls for this ambitious project.
Transporting specialized equipment to this secluded location requires careful planning and significant physical endurance from the lone builder.
The extraction of the primary stone slab marks the commencement of the internal excavation for the living quarters.
Removing the heavy granite plug reveals the potential for a sheltered interior space, protected by millions of tons.
Precision carving within the stone interior ensures structural integrity while maximizing the available square footage for the occupant. And careful management of debris is essential to prevent environmental disruption and maintain the secrecy of the hidden dwelling.
Smoothing the rough internal surfaces creates a more comfortable atmosphere and prepares the walls for the final finish. The architectural precision is maintained through the use of laser leveling tools to ensure the floor is perfectly horizontal. A sophisticated drainage solution is integrated into the floor to manage natural condensation within the thick stone walls. The application of hydraulic lime mortar provides a breathable finish that regulates humidity levels inside the small space. Locally sourced materials are utilized whenever possible to minimize the carbon footprint of this unique underground construction project.
Each layer of mortar is carefully applied to provide thermal mass and a clean canvas for the interior.
Natural ventilation is critical for maintaining air quality and preventing the buildup of radon gas within the enclosure.
Custom timber framing is fitted to the irregular stone opening to provide a secure mounting for the door. Polyurethane sealants are applied to bridge the gap between organic wood and the rigid surface of the granite.
Reclaimed oak planks are selected for the flooring to add warmth and a natural aesthetic to the interior.
Each plank is hand-cut to fit the unique geometry of the floor, resulting in a seamless wooden surface. A high-efficiency wood stove is installed to provide essential heating during the cold winter months in the forest.
The exhaust system is disguised with natural moss and stone fragments to maintain the exterior camouflage of the structure.
Multifunctional furniture is a design requirement for this tiny footprint, ensuring every inch of space is utilized effectively.
Renewable energy is harvested via a discrete solar array positioned to capture maximum sunlight through the forest canopy. A lithium-ion battery bank stores the solar energy, providing power for lighting and small electronic devices at night.
Energy-efficient lighting is strategically placed to create an even glow without consuming excessive amounts of stored battery power.
Cedar is chosen for the exterior door due to its natural resistance to decay and its beautiful aroma.
The door is hung with heavy-duty steel hinges designed to withstand the weight of the solid wood construction.
When closed, the door sits perfectly flush, creating the illusion of a solid and unbroken stone surface once again. Granite veneers are meticulously glued to the door surface to perfectly match the surrounding rock color and texture.
Living moss is applied to the joints to hide any unnatural lines and complete the visual deception perfectly. The transformation of the cold granite interior into a warm, habitable living space is now officially complete today. Despite the limited square footage, and the interior feels spacious due to the clever organization and minimal furniture design.
Cooking inside the rock is made possible by the heat generated from the multi-purpose wood-burning heating unit.
The sloping geometry of the rock ensures that heavy rainfall is directed away from the concealed entrance door. Total light discipline is maintained through the use of thick insulation and a light-tight door seal design.
A small aperture provides a view of the forest floor and allows natural daylight to illuminate the interior. Tempered acrylic is used for the window to prevent shattering and provide excellent thermal insulation against the cold. Integrated storage solutions are carved directly into the rock walls to save space and provide structural permanence here. The high thermal mass of the granite provides a stable internal temperature regardless of external weather conditions. Water security is achieved through a discrete rainwater harvesting system integrated into the natural contours of the rock.
A multi-stage filtration process ensures the collected rainwater is safe for drinking and cooking without any boiling.
Staying informed about external conditions is vital for long-term survival and safety in this isolated forest location. The camouflage is so effective that the structure is virtually impossible to detect from even a short distance.
A natural wood knot serves as an ergonomic handle that blends perfectly with the surrounding forest debris. Strategic placement of mirrors helps to bounce light around the room and create a greater sense of space.
Beeswax provides a non-toxic and durable finish that enhances the natural beauty of the reclaimed oak flooring. Maintaining tools is a daily ritual that ensures the occupant is always prepared for the challenges of forest.
The stove is designed to maximize heat output while minimizing the amount of fuel required for long nights. Canvas curtains provide a simple and effective way to manage light and privacy within the small living space.
A steady supply of firewood is essential for maintaining a habitable temperature within the stone structure during winter.
The natural features of the boulder are used for external storage, keeping the interior space clear and organized.
Maintaining a clean living environment is crucial for respiratory health when living inside a hollowed-out stone.
Safety devices are non-negotiable when using wood-burning stoves in confined spaces with limited natural air ventilation.
Documenting the construction process provides valuable insights for future improvements and potential expansions of the secret home. As daylight fades, the structure disappears entirely into the natural shadows of the dense forest landscape around it.
Constant monitoring of energy levels ensures that critical systems like lighting and ventilation remain operational throughout the night. Foraging for local herbs adds to the self-sufficiency of the lifestyle led within this hidden granite sanctuary.
The proximity to nature is unparalleled, allowing for the observation of wildlife without causing any significant disturbance.
Regular maintenance of the solar array is necessary to ensure maximum efficiency in the low-light forest environment. Dedicated storage for footwear helps to prevent the tracking of mud and moisture into the dry interior. Every tool has a specific place, ensuring that the limited living space remains functional and free of clutter. Navigation skills are essential for safety when venturing away from the hidden base into the deep woods. Minimizing the physical impact on the surrounding ground is part of the strategy to remain completely undetected.
Selecting the right fuel is key to a smokeless fire, which helps in maintaining the hidden location. Starting the fire efficiently ensures that the interior warms up quickly without wasting any valuable dry wood.
The peace and quiet of the rock house provide an ideal environment for reading and deep reflection. A manual water pump provides a reliable way to access water without the need for electrical power. The thick stone walls provide excellent soundproofing, ensuring a quiet and restful sleep deep within the woods.
Natural morning light signals the start of a new day of survival and maintenance in the forest.
Staying physically active is important for health when living in a small space for extended periods of time.
Regular inspections ensure that the integrity of the camouflage and the structure itself remains perfectly intact today.
A warm breakfast provides the energy needed for the day's tasks of foraging and maintaining the home.